So today I am 28 weeks and 4 days pregnant. I have 11 weeks and 3 days to go. I'm getting to that one digit. The baby is between 13.6 to 14.8 inches, 1.5 through 2.5 pounds. The baby is as big as an eggplant. He's starting to develop more fat, so her wrinkly skin will start to get smoother. His lungs are mature enough that he'd probably survive if he was born now. Wow, that's what it says. um, Pregnancy symptoms that you can experience at 28 weeks is trouble sleeping, shortness of breath, aches and pains, Braxton Hicks contractions, and leaky boots and swelling. But they don't have that there. Um, Pregnancy symptoms that I personally am experiencing this week is shortness of breath, definitely aches and pains, um, leaky boots, yes, and swelling in my fingers, my hand. Not so much my hand, but in my fingers and my toes. Not so much my feet, but my toes and a little bit in my ankle. Um, so yeah, so I said I'm experienced this swelling. And I also got and started taking iron pills. It's Mason Natural Slow Release Iron. It's gentle to your system. Take one at once a day. And yeah, and I feel like those are really helping. And I totally got a tan already, being out in the sun. I actually read somewhere that the more vitamin D you have, the it eases your labor more. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm getting out a lot, so maybe that will help with a natural birth. Who knows? um, Anything else? Nothing really has been going on. 7 months, almost 8 months. Um, I don't really think there's anything else. I'm feeling him move a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. And I went to go see The Lion King last week. I think I told you that. I think I told you the story already. But if you want to know the story, go check out my 27-week update. Right up that way, one way. Um, so I did get a couple things. So first I got this safety first, like the health care kit thing, and it came with this bag, and it was like 20 something dollars, $30 I think, from Walmart, and so it came with this bag. Yes, it's safety first, and it came with all this, and it came with a monitor. Not one of those fancy, I can see baby monitors because I really don't need that because we'll be in the same room. But it came with a brush, a toothbrush for it as when he gets older, a comb for colic, and like a comb, just a regular comb. Then it came with a nasal aspirator, and I like this one because you can open it up to clean it. Came with a thermometer, nail clippers, alcohol wipes, and a bottle medicine dispenser, and nail files. So yeah, and I really like it. It came in this nice case. And then I got, well, the monitor is this safety first. It's actually really good. I went all the way to places that I would be without him at sometimes, which would be either the bathroom, which is right next door to my room, and then the kitchen, which is underneath my room. And it all the way down in the kitchen, it was pretty clear. I just put I just typed in baby crying on YouTube and and I plugged it in. You can either use batteries or you can plug it in. I just was like plug it in. So yeah, it's a good monitor for cheap. Instead of buying a monitor and buying all that separate, you can get them all together at Walmart for like 30 something, 34 I think. And then I meant to show you this last week, but I forgot. This is the third trimester Similac bag, and you get this book. It's the art of feeding, and it has like all the information on like feeding, different types of formula and stuff, and and it basically, and it also has information not only about formula but about breastfeeding, which is good because that's what they want you to do is breastfeed. That's what I'm gonna do, and it basically tells you how to know your baby's getting enough milk, because you know, like, one of the reasons why most people stop breastfeeding is because they say the baby's not getting enough. So I think that it's good that they put that in there. And then these certificates, which you see all over online, is the canopy and the boppy pillow and that. And then it was a can of formula, well, a sample. And then it is these two bottles for breast milk storage, and it has this nipple, and it has the tops. And then it's a gift, not a gift card, a coupon for the JCPenney portraits in there too. So that's really good. So anytime my doctor's office, they just put it out. The doctor doesn't give it to you. They just put it out like in the waiting area, and then you just grab it if you want it. And then I also got the car seat. Got a car seat. Um, it's a Greco Snug Ride Classic Connect. It's the owl, the little Whole Foods, as Colin and Katie like to call them. It's this, and it has that, and then it has the canopy, and it came with the base. So yeah, so I got that, and that's pretty much it. And I'm just going to show you end with the bump. Please like, comment. I love to talk to you, and subscribe, and I will see you next week. So this is it, my bump on. I meant with the shirt on. I said this is my bump on. With the shirt on. And this is the shirt up. So yeah, so my belly button's definitely getting out there. So like I said, I will see you guys next week for my 29-week update. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Toodles.